Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just getting back into Texas. I feel like I've been on the road for 2 months straight and decided to come home, wash the doodlebug, and go for a cruise. It's been busy, and just last week we were in Sturgis, South Dakota, hanging out at Camp Zero.
Has been sick already. We went ahead and took out the Colemans, we took out our built Megamoto 212 just to see how it did, and Taylor like zoomed up like some of these tall little mountains up here, so Megamoto for the win.
Who installed that stage 1 kit?
It's your boy, hey, one pull wonder right there.
Yeah. Flashback.
We're out here in Joe's shop. We're gonna be building a Megamoto 212. This place is cool because Joe does metal work. He also makes these awesome hammers as well, like Thor. We're out here just in the front of Buffalo Chip. We're still on the property. A little meet and greet, get to know, a little building time together, and should be a good day today.
It was awesome getting to hang out with the Buffalo Chip team. Everyone in marketing, media, and the rest of the crew showed us such great hospitality on our tour.
We shipped them a Megamoto 212. Jason's over there working on the engine. We're putting on the stage 1 kit. After this, we're gonna go rip around on these and then some Colemans, check out all the tracks.
10 mil.
10 mil nuts. Typically I like to rod the 10 mil from underneath these gas tank, but with the electric start component and that stator right there, I can't easily slip them off as easily as I would like to. Minibiking ain't easy.
We're all done, gassed up, oiled up. We'll take it outside, crank it up, make sure everything's good. Then we're gonna go for our ride, dude.
Yeah, when I manage the service department, invite us to park out front for the customer. Put in neutral and fuel turned off.
One pull. Perfectly tuned.
So with the build done, Taylor went to go and cruise on the Megamoto to make sure everything is running the way it's supposed to. And of course he takes off while I'm on this slow electric bicycle. So I decided to stop off at the new Buffalo Chip garage to learn more about this huge campground.
How's it going? What do you guys, so this is the...
It's gonna be Buffalo Chip garage.
Oh, nice.
We're gonna do oil changes, some,
Come check out the garage. It's a disaster, but we're gonna get it all.
you have like, it's a weekend outing. And
Yeah.
so you teach people how to do basic maintenance, change spark plug, you know, how to...
Okay, see, now I gotta come back.
Yeah, then this is gonna be the lighting.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice. Yeah, he bought it and there's back on him.
And he said, I don't want it. I'm gonna ride this little thing.
So James and I are the video guys.
For the main stage,
There's
for all the
James.
concerts. Let me see.
Are you safe?
Yeah, I am. I'm over at the garage.
We are back at the apartment.
Okay.
We're going to see where you guys were, but Joe's headed to Camp Zero to unlock the mini bikes.
Okay, I'll be over at the apartment here in a second. See you around.
Hey, have a great night. Be safe.
You too.
Meeting
Try to
time.
take care of myself.
Meeting time in the conference room. Talking about see how they operate.
That meeting's done. How'd it go?
The meeting went good. The best part of the meeting was Bernie almost dying.
Yeah, we'll insert that footage here. that?
The brakes.
Man, that was a long stop too, because I was pushing it.
It locked up.
Yeah. Someone lost a cell phone out there. Go!
Getting more and more in depth with the Buffalo trip out here. Having mini bikes be a part of the Sturgis rally, which is already huge. We're loving it. Great people out here. Come to Camp Zero, beginning of August till middle of August.
Y'all gonna get out there? Yeah, I can grab another one. Can I ride this one?
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
I actually don't like the pedals on it though. I have pegs on it instead of pedals.
Yeah.
After leaving the chip, we made a couple of stops on the way to the airport. Where are we at, dude?
Right now we're at Mount Rushmore in the covered parking. Us and the Mongols just rolled in together.
Yeah. We're pretty much the gang now.
But yeah, never been here before. It's a beautiful day out here, nice and sunny. We got the 4 presses upstairs. Let's see how.
Yeah.
Is this your first time here too?
This is my first time. It's yours?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let me go grab her. It's Mr. Rushmore. All right, so after Buffalo Chip,
We started driving towards, what is it called?
Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore, duh. The mountain with the faces on it.
Yeah.
And we saw a sign on the side of the road that said Wonderland Cave.
Way more than a few miles
It
later.
was like 30 minutes later.
Yeah.
But we're about to enter the cave. I'm assuming we can film it here.
Yeah.
We have a 15-mile walk to get to the cave, all uphill.
Yeah. Both ways.
Both ways,
Yeah.
right.
It's beautiful up here though.
Hey, this has been voted one of the top 10 attractions in the Midwest.
There's only 7.
We did.
Yeah. Oof.
Has the cold started? Oh yes.
You guys can head downstairs, take a look around, and just view out some information. So this room up here is pretty much the heart of the cave. This is where you can see every single formation in a 5-foot span. We have cave popcorn, dogtooth spar, stalactites, stalagmites, columns, soda straws, cave bacon, helictites, cave frost, flowstone, and limestone.
Yeah, that's good.
Get into the castle. Get into the castle.
Another fun-filled weekend with amazing sights and even more amazing people. Stay tuned for the next slice of life.